Now today you will study about the escape sequence in Python. Escape sequence are those characters that you cannot directly type from the keyboard. There are certain characters that you can press from the keyboard but you cannot type it, means they will not show any printable characters on the screen. So the escape sequence refers to the combination of the characters that begin with backslash, and then after backslash you have letters, that is alphabets or digits. These escape sequences, they represent the non-printable and special characters and literal strings. So non-printable means when you cannot directly type from the keyboard, or non-graphic characters. They are also called non-graphic characters, that is they don't have any symbol or shape. So they allow the users to communicate with the display device or printer by sending the non-graphical control character to specify action like question mark or carriage return. Like if you want to print new line, you press enter, your cursor will come to the next line, but new line will not be printed. So to insert those characters that are illegal in a string, we use escape character. An escape character is a backslash character which is followed by the character that you want to insert. So example, if you want to insert double quotes, and they are also those characters which form the syntax of the language. For example, the single quotes or double quotes, they form the syntax of the Python language. Single quotes and double quotes represent the beginning or end of the string. So such characters which either form the syntax of the programming language or they cannot be directly typed from the keyboard are typed with the help of escape sequences. So these are few escape sequences which you will learn and use in Python. Like if you want to print single quotes, you will use backslash single quotes. If you want to print backslash, you will use backslash. For new line, backslash n. For carriage return, backslash r. For tab space, backslash t. For backspace, backslash b. And backslash double quote for double quote, backslash triple O for octal value, backslash XHH for hexa value. Let us understand the use of escape sequence with example. So they are like if you want to print this kind of string, this is Amrita's pen, this is apostrophe s. The single quote is a part of the Python grammar or Python syntax. Or if you want to print like this, within double quotes you want to display well done. Now, if you write like this, it will display an error because the Python will mark beginning of the string from this part, and when you close it, it will consider it as a closing string, and then this will be out of the quotes, so they will not be part of the string, so it will display an error. Similarly, if you write this string as the first one that this way, so if you use double quotes in the beginning and end, and these double quotes that you want to display, the Python will not be able to differentiate between the two, and for the Python it will mark this as beginning of the string and it will consider this as the end of the string. So this much part will be out of the string, then this will be the beginning of the string and this will be the end of the string. That is what Python will consider. So this is the case. If you type it, you will get such error message, because this is the beginning of the string, then this is the end of the string. See, the strings are represented in green color by default, so this is not the part of the string. Similarly, in this case also, this is double quotes beginning of the string, this double quotes will mark the end of the string. So only this much is the part of the string and this is the out of the string, which is an error. So whatever you want to print as a string should be enclosed within double quotes. So this is an error. So this is how you will print. That is, which the single quote that you want to print, which is the part of the string, should be represented with backslash. Similarly, the double quote that you want to print as a part of the string, you will write it using backslash. In that case only you will get this kind of output. This is the output shown. Similarly, if you want to print the string in 2 lines, again if you press enter, your cursor will come to the next line. But in display you want the output to be in 2 lines. So for that you have to use backslash n. How to use it? See, my address is was in the first line, and this is backslash n, this will change the line. So after is, the line is changed here, and this is in the next line here. Similarly, if you want to leave space in between, either you type so many spaces, or you can print using backslash t. If backslash t leaves the tab space, that is space of 8 characters at a time. So these, see, after India backslash t, so it is leaving this much of space here. Then after is again backslash t, after my backslash t, so these are leaving spaces here.